Creating amazing AI content shouldn't feel complicated. Have you ever spent hours trying different AI tools, only to end up with results that don't look the way you imagined? Or maybe you've been jumping between multiple platforms just to create an image, edit a video, or bring an idea to life. What if one AI platform could do it all? Welcome back! Today we're taking a deep dive into OpenArt, one of the fastest-growing AI creative platforms available today. With OpenArt, you can generate stunning AI images, create cinematic AI videos, transform photos into videos, build consistent AI characters, remove or replace backgrounds, generate AI music, and even create entire 3D worlds, all from a single platform. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, designer, entrepreneur, or simply someone who loves experimenting with AI, OpenArt brings together powerful creative tools into one easy-to-use workspace. If you'd like to try everything you see in this video for yourself, make sure to click the OpenArt link in the description below. It's the easiest way to explore all of its features firsthand. Now, let's jump in and see if OpenArt really lives up to the hype. Sign up. To get started, the first thing we'll do is head over to the OpenArt website. Right on the homepage, click Start for Free. OpenArt lets you sign up using your Google account, Discord, X, or email. In this video, I'll choose Sign in with Google Dashboard. After signing in, this is the OpenArt dashboard. The interface is clean, intuitive, and very beginner-friendly. All of the AI tools are neatly organized in the navigation panel on the left, making them easy to find and use. Create. First, we have the Create section, where you'll find OpenArt's most important AI tools. Director. Director works like an AI creative assistant, guiding you through the entire content creation process. Instead of simply typing a basic prompt, Director walks you through each step, helping you build a complete project and produce much higher quality results. Next, we have Video. This section includes all of OpenArt's AI video tools, allowing you to create videos from text, generate videos from images, or edit videos using a wide variety of AI-powered effects. Image. Image is probably the most frequently used tool on OpenArt. Simply enter a description, and the AI can generate images in a wide range of styles, including realistic, anime, illustration, and concept art. Character. Character helps you create and manage AI characters consistently. If you want to use the same character across multiple images or multiple videos, this feature is incredibly useful. World. World allows you to build an entire environment or custom universe, so the AI consistently generates images with the same style and setting. Audio. Audio lets you generate AI voiceovers and sound, making your content production workflow much faster and more efficient. MCP. Finally, there's MCP, a new feature that allows OpenArt to connect with and expand its capabilities through other AI tools. Assets. Just below that, you'll find the Assets section, where all of your generated content is stored. Director. Projects saves every project created with Director. Characters and Worlds is where you manage all of your AI characters and worlds. And Media stores all of your images, videos, and other media files. Next, we have the Inspire section. Templates. Templates provide a large collection of ready-made prompts, helping you create content much faster without starting from scratch. Tutorials. If you're new to OpenArt, you can visit tutorials to watch step-by-step guides. Blog. The blog keeps you updated with new features, AI tips, and plenty of helpful articles from the OpenArt team. Finally, we have Pinned Tools, where you can pin your most frequently used tools for faster access. In the center of the screen, you'll find the main workspace. OpenArt organizes all of its tools into different categories based on your creative needs, including video, image, character, world, and audio. Now, let's take a quick look at each category before diving into them in more detail. First up, Director. You can think of it as OpenArt's AI command center. Instead of building a project from scratch, simply choose a template such as short film, music video, UGC ads, product ads, film trailer, social content, brand film, explainer, or microdrama. Then, enter your idea, and the AI will automatically build an entire production workflow tailored to your goals. Next, we have video. This is essentially a complete AI toolkit for video production. You can generate videos from text using text-to-video, create videos from images with frame-to-video, edit videos using edit video, replace backgrounds with replace background, relight scenes using relight video, add visual effects with VFX, synchronize movement with motion sync, match lip movements using lip sync, enhance video quality with upscale video, replace characters using replace character, extend your videos with extend video, or completely change the visual style using restyle video. In the image section, OpenArt offers a wide range of AI image editing tools. You can generate images from prompts with Create Image, create multiple versions using image variations, edit images with Edit Image, expand the canvas using Expand Image, increase resolution with Image Upscale, generate multiple viewing angles with Multi-View, adjust camera perspectives using Camera Angle Control, swap faces with Face Swap, or improve skin quality using Vellum Skin Enhancer. Character is designed for creating and managing AI characters. You can create a brand new character using Create a Character, then reuse that character across images and videos while maintaining a consistent appearance throughout your entire project. If you want to build your own custom environment, you can use World. Here you'll find Create World to build a new world, 3D World Cam to control the camera inside a 3D environment, and Cast in Scene to place your AI characters into existing scenes. Finally, we have audio. OpenArt supports AI audio creation through tools like Create Voiceover, Create Music, Create Sound Effects, Voice Clone, and Voice Changer. Next, let's take a closer look at the Create Image feature. The first step is choosing an AI model. OpenArt supports a wide variety of models, and each one has its own strengths. In this video, I'll be using GPT-Image 2, one of the best models for producing high-quality images. Right below that, you'll find visual references. If you want the AI to generate images based on a specific character, style, or existing image, simply upload your reference here. This is an extremely useful feature when you want consistent results across multiple image generations. Next, we have the Describe Your Image field. Simply type in the prompt describing what you want to create. The more detailed your prompt is, the closer the AI's output will match your vision. On the right, you'll find Auto Polish. When enabled, OpenArt automatically optimizes your prompt so the AI better understands what you're trying to create. If you're new to AI, this feature is definitely worth using. Below that, you'll see the Output section. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio and resolution that best fit your project, whether it's for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram, or social media posts. Right next to it is Quality. Higher quality settings produce images with more detail, but they'll also consume more credits and require longer processing time. Once everything is ready, simply click Create for free. Within just a few seconds, OpenArt will generate multiple results for you to choose from. Next, let's explore the World feature, one of my personal favorites. First, I'll select 3D World Cam. OpenArt lets you choose from worlds available in its library, or switch to My World if you've already created your own custom environment. For this demonstration, I'll simply pick a random scene. Once it loads, you'll enter the 3D environment directly. My favorite part is being able to freely move and rotate the camera, just like controlling a camera inside a video game. You can use the W, A, S, and D keys to move around, combine them with your mouse to change the viewing angle, and adjust both the movement speed and the field of view to create more cinematic shots. After finding the perfect camera angle, simply enter your prompt below. You can also add characters from the character library,
allowing the AI to place them naturally into the selected scene. If you'd like, enable Auto Enhance Shot, and OpenArt will automatically optimize the composition before generating the image. Finally, click Take Shot. The AI will generate an image using the exact camera angle you've chosen, making it easy to create natural, consistent scenes without having to describe the entire environment in your prompt. Next, let's look at the audio feature. This tool lets you generate AI voiceovers directly inside OpenArt, without needing any additional software. It's especially useful for creating YouTube videos, advertisements, podcasts, or product narration. First, choose your audio model. In this video, I'll use 11 Multilingual V2, a highly natural-sounding voice model that supports multiple languages. Right below, you'll find the prompt field. Simply paste or type the text you want the AI to read. OpenArt also provides several built-in templates, including podcast intro, product explainer, ad teaser, and brand story, making it even easier for beginners to get started. Next, we have voice. You can choose from a wide variety of voices, including male voices, female voices, and voices from different languages and regional accents. In this video, I'll test the Tien An Da Nang accent voice. Below that, you'll find voice control, where you can fine-tune the voice. Speed controls the speaking rate. Move the slider to the left for slower speech, or move it to the right for faster narration. Next, there's stability. Lower values make the AI sound more natural and expressive. Higher values produce a steadier, more consistent voice, making it ideal for tutorials and narration. Similarity Boost controls how closely the generated voice matches the original voice. The higher the value, the more characteristics of the original voice the AI preserves. Finally, there's Style Exaggeration. This setting controls how expressive the voice becomes. Lower values produce a more natural delivery, while higher values add stronger emphasis and emotion. Once you've finished configuring everything, simply click Generate. Within just a few seconds, OpenArt will create your AI voiceover, ready to use immediately in your project.
Welcome to OpenArt, an all-in-one AI creative platform designed to help you generate stunning images, videos, characters, and much more. In this video, we'll explore the free plan, test its most popular features, and see whether it's worth using for creators, designers, and content marketers. Let's get started.
Next, let's explore the character feature. This feature allows you to create a consistent AI character that you can use across multiple images and videos while maintaining the same appearance and key characteristics throughout your projects. OpenArt offers 3 different ways to create a character. In this tutorial, I'll choose Start from an Image, which lets you create a character using an existing photo. Simply upload the image you want to use as the foundation for your character. Next, enter a name for your character. Under Voice, you can select or add an AI voice if you plan to use the character in future videos. This step is completely optional, so you can skip it if you don't need it. Below that is the Background Story section, where you can describe your character's personality, profession, age, background, or any other relevant details. OpenArt uses this information to generate more consistent and coherent results whenever you use the character in future projects. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click Create. Within a few seconds, OpenArt will generate your character and save it to your library. From there, you can use the same character to create new images and videos while preserving a consistent appearance and style throughout your entire project.
Before you go, if OpenArt looks like the AI creative platform you've been searching for, don't forget to click the OpenArt link in the description below and explore everything it has to offer for yourself. From AI image generation, AI video creation, character consistency, image editing, visual effects, music generation, to powerful creative workflows, OpenArt continues to add new features that make content creation faster, easier, and more accessible than ever. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next AI tool review. Thanks so much for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.